I am thrilled to introduce the amazing BIM company in Amaravathi, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. This innovative company is revolutionizing the architecture and construction industry with its cutting-edge BIM solutions. With their expertise and knowledge, Scon Design is definitely leading the way in Amaravathi. What sets Scon Design apart from other companies is their unwavering commitment to excellence. Their team of skilled professionals are dedicated to providing top-notch services that meet and exceed client expectations. From conceptualization to execution, Scon Design ensures that every project is executed flawlessly, using the latest BIM technology. Scon Design is known for their unparalleled expertise in BIM services. Their team of experts has a deep understanding of the complexities of architectural and construction projects, and they use this knowledge to create accurate and detailed models. With their advanced software and tools, they are able to create 3D models that provide valuable insights into the project, helping clients make informed decisions. One of the reasons why Scon Design is a standout BIM company in Amaravathi is their ability to deliver projects on time and within budget. Their streamlined processes and efficient workflows enable them to optimize resources and minimize delays. This not only saves time and money for clients, but also ensures that projects are completed smoothly. Scon Design's commitment to quality is evident in their attention to detail. They leave no stone unturned when it comes to ensuring that every aspect of the project is taken care of. From clash detection to coordination, their team meticulously reviews every design element to avoid any potential conflicts or issues during construction. Furthermore, Scon Design believes in fostering strong relationships with their clients. They believe that open communication and collaboration are key to successful projects. I am thrilled to share with you the amazing BIM company in Amaravathi called Scon Design India Pvt Ltd. This company is a pioneer in the field of building information modeling, BIM, and has been revolutionizing the construction industry with their innovative solutions. Scon Design is at the forefront of using advanced technologies to enhance the efficiency and accuracy of construction projects. When it comes to BIM services, Scon Design is unparalleled. They have a team of highly skilled and experienced professionals who are experts in creating detailed 3D models of buildings and infrastructure projects. Their BIM models are incredibly accurate and provide valuable insights into the design and construction process. Whether it's architectural, structural, or MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing, modeling, Scon Design excels in all areas. One of the key strengths of Scon Design is their commitment to customer satisfaction. They understand that every project is unique and requires a tailored approach. That's why they work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and deliver customized solutions that meet their needs. With their attention to detail,